Good afternoon, Brian Packer, Natural Self Yoga. Now for the final standing pose in the Warrior Series. Then I'm going to go outside and get a little bit of a tan because I've obviously been in the gym a little bit too much, in the studio a little too much. But we start again, standing at the back of the mat, back left-hand corner, in standing Shavasana. Rolling the shoulders back, arms to the mirror. Heels and toes touch. Inhale, lifting your arms up. This time just overlapping your thumbs. And then exhale, stepping out about 2.5 feet. All right, then rock back on your heels and turn all the way to the right side. And you want to turn your hips so that they're square to the right side. So take a deep breath in, lengthen through the spine, and then you bow your chin to your chest, round forward. And you can bend up this knee all the way you need to. But when your hands come down to the mat, you can separate them to the side. This is a good hamstring stretch. Works on the low back. Pull the right hip back, the left hip forward. And if you can get both knees straight, with your hips square to the side, you can bring your hands out in front of you and extend the pinky fingers out long. And breathe. Pull the right hip back, left hip forward. Steady breath. And then when you're done, bring your chin back to your chest, rolling up, one vertebra at a time. So your head and your shoulders get to the top. Release. Inhale back to the center. Take a deep breath in. Then rock back on your heels, roll to the other side, and moving it on the other side. So again, that's a pretty simple pose. You can bend your knee up as much as you want to. Bring your forehead onto your knee, and then you just take some steady breaths. It's not really a strength-building pose, so you can pretty much stay in there and relax, get a couple of breaths to lower that heart rate. Any forward folds like that is inward-looking, and it calms down the mind in any of the yoga classes that you take. That pose can be called a pyramid pose in some of the flow classes that I take. It doesn't matter the names of the pose. The most important thing is what it does for your body and then how it makes you feel. And the more you do them, the better you're going to feel. And I'm going to go outside and do a little bit of a tan right now. I hope you find some time to go outside and get something done outside too. But I hope to see you on your mat sometime really soon. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.